Dear Santa, what I want for Christmas is an American Girl doll, a Barbie doll, a drawing book because I love to draw, and a trip to Disneyland. Thank you. Love, Rohana.
My letter to Santa. Dear Santa, I would like to request many books on animals and or nature-related topics. A telescope to observe the beautiful night sky would be a useful tool. My biggest request is to obtain a pair of binoculars. One of my favorite hobbies is to birdwatch. I love seeing the vibrant colors and curious nature of the birds. I am extremely grateful for all of your Christmas magic, and I hope I am not on the naughty list. Warm regards, Jonah Marks.